When it comes to your business, branding is so important. And I meet way too many clients. I'm sure I've said this before, where I meet them and I'm just absolutely surprised at how awful their branding is. And I'm going to show you a little hack on how you can actually create a logo, one of the easiest pieces of your branding assets, in less than 5 minutes. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificates and EventPlanningTemplates.com, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them book more clients. If you're looking to get leads, traffic, don't hesitate, reach out to me, www.eventcertificate.com. Let's have a conversation and see if my services might work for you before you spend years trying everything and not seeing any results. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn my screen around and show you a quick hack for getting a really nice, easy, simple looking logo in less than 5 minutes. I see so many event planning websites. In what I do as a marketer, I work with a ton of event and wedding planners. And some of you, your logos are awful. You have this clunky design where you can tell you did it yourself. You did it in a Word document and it just looks horrible. And here's the thing, you're in 2022 right now. You need to step up your game. Now, I understand sometimes it's hard to step up your game if you don't have a ton of money. And that's why I'm going to show you how to do this for free. Yeah, I said free. So see you later. I'm actually going to just turn around and show you how to do it. So here we are. I'm logged into my Canva account. That's www.canva.com. And that's the program I'm going to use to show you how to create your logo in less than 5 minutes. And I really want you to try this out. If you look at your logo and it doesn't meet the 2022 branding standard, meaning it looks modern and fresh, I want you to do this tutorial. So all I'm going to do is something very easy. I'm just going to search logo. That's it. I'm just going to search logo in Canva. And I'm going to look at all the templates that populate. Now, a lot of these templates might not apply to my business. So you're a wedding planner, you want something that's clean, that's modern, that's a little bit more feminine, depending on your style, on your brand. So I'm going to look for something that matches that for me. So I'm going through, okay, you know what? I really like this one. Now, I like things that are a little bit simple because the simpler it is, the easier it is for you to use it on everything that you have in your business. For example, your brochures and everything. And it can blend in seamlessly without overwhelming your other designs. So this one has two options. I like the first option a little bit better. So I'm just going to delete this one and keep this. So it's your initials, your name, and then what you do. So my initials are J and R in lowercase. Actually, I'll see if I like both. I'm gonna put one in upper and one in lower and see which one I like. So because I changed it to J, I need to bring it a little bit closer like the other one was. I can already tell I'm liking the second design a little bit more. This one looks clunky, so I'm just going to delete it. Then I'm going to put my name in here, which is Jody Ann Rowe. And then I'm going to put wedding planner. Now it goes to another line, so I'm going to take the size down a bit so it fits. So it says 7.3. I'm actually just going to make it 7 to make it even because I have a little bit of OCD. Same with this, I'm gonna make it 12. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this color. If this is your branding color, you can choose to keep it or not. The reason why I say that is I like to have colors that are clear on the background so I can put them on multiple different colored items. So if I put this on a material that has color itself, it's not conflicting. And if I put it on something that's white, then it's fine. So I'm just gonna remove the background and make it plain. Now it does have a little feature where my name itself at the bottom is still highlighted in the color, and I'm going to leave that. Now, depending on your brand, you might want to change that color. So let's say your branding color is yellow. Maybe you want to change that to yellow, right? So it matches. I'm going to keep it where it is because I do like that really light, blushy looking pink. And that right there is your logo. That's it. Now I'm going to show you a hack for downloading this, because sometimes when you download the images, it comes with a white background. But in Canva, you can actually download it, choose PNG, and tell it that you want a transparent background. Now, of course, you'll see when that happens, it downloads. And I'm going to show you. Oh, look at that. It even does a mock-up for you. I love this. So you can see what it would look if you decide to do a business card. But I'm going to open it so you can see that. Now, isn't that gorgeous and simple and clean? That took me less than 5 minutes, and it cost nothing, because the good thing is Canva is free. You can get a free account. I didn't even need the pro account for this one. So if you currently have a logo that you've been waiting to hire a designer to get, I definitely want you to look into this option, because it's free, it's easy, it's simple, and it took me less than 5 minutes. Now, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna link below the program that I used to create this, which is Canva, and you can access Canva for free at any time. The link that I'm linking also includes a 30-day free trial that you can try out their premium pro account for 30 days. If you decide this is not my thing, it just automatically reverts back to the free account and you lose nothing. All your designs will still be there and you can still access the program. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.